Hello beautiful people, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to change it up a little bit due to my allergies. I've been filming videos for the last 3 days and by the time I get to the end of the look, my eyes are dripping so bad, my makeup is ruined. So I figured I would start my summer foundation hunt series early. I pulled out 12 foundations that I purchased. Some of them I've had, just never tried, and some of them are new. So I am going to be trying out these foundations. Some are high end, some are low end, for the next 10 days. And hopefully by that time my eyes are back to normal. But I will be still doing this Weartest series where I will be picking a new foundation every day to try out. I'm gonna wear it between 6 and 8 hours because that's normally the time frame that we would go out, or you know, maybe longer depending on where I'm going, just so I can show you what foundations and what combination of powders and primers work well together, whether or not they are really summertime friendly. Now we're not having super hot weather down here right now, but I'm still gonna wear it and I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna do check-ins throughout the day so that you can see what it looks like after I've worn it for a few hours, maybe 4 hours in, maybe 6 hours, and the longest I'm gonna keep it on is 8 hours unless I'm really going somewhere. So if this is something that you are interested in seeing and following, you might as well subscribe now. I made it very easy. I put the little red square on the screen. All you gotta do is click on it. If not, I'm gonna have it in the description box. Just keep watching. I hope you enjoy it. I hope this is something that you want to see. Please give me a thumbs up, like it, comment, share. Let's get started with the video. So today I'm gonna be using the Gucci foundation and Gucci primer. I have had this makeup for a couple of months. I purchased the foundation, I purchased the primer, and so much new stuff comes out, I don't get a chance to even touch a lot of the foundations that I pick up. So today, this is what we are doing. I might as well show you the time now. It's 1:37. I know it's late, but I got a late start this morning. So it's 1:37. We're gonna start applying our serum, which is this Glow Recipe Waterman Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. I love the glow that this puts on your face. It leaves it really nice and glowy, and it smells good. I've already moisturized, exfoliated, toned. This eye is bothering me so bad. I'm gonna do as much makeup as I can, but this really is about the foundation and how long the products last on the face. Okay, I'm gonna start with this Gucci Mattifying Primer. It just says a Mattifying Shine Control Primer. Oh, I have it in the wrong box, Lord. This is the foundation. This is the Gucci Fluid to Beaute Natural Finish Fluid Foundation. So this is the Gucci primer. It's called Serum to Beaute. It's a mattifying shine control primer. It retails for $57. It says it has a natural finish without parabens. It's a liquid formula. It's good for dullness and uneven texture, and it's also a vegan product. It says this primer creates a luminous finish, visibly evens tone, and visibly plumps the skin while creating a soft glow effect. It has squalene in it, which helps replenish the moisture barrier. It has some kind of powder technology that leaves a elegant silky texture to the skin. Elastomer technology that provides a soft focus effect. So let's see. It's supposed to be non-sticky and feel like second skin. It doesn't have a fragrance, which is wonderful. Oh, it does have a light fragrance when it gets close to your nose, but like I said, my allergies are in rare form. It's a very light fragrance, but it smells good. It feels, oh, it's got a tacky feel. I think I'm gonna put a little bit more in my areas that have a lot of texture, like where the pores are. I'm gonna pat it in. I like to make sure I prime around my nose because my nose starts to get oily faster than anything else. I have 2 new powders that I'm gonna try. Well, 1 new powder in 2 different colors. This is the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder. I have this color Coffee, which is pretty, a very pretty color. And then I have it in the color Kunafa. I've been hearing so much about this powder, and the only thing I've ever done was do a first impressions video, or like a haul video, and I've never tried it again because I'm so used to using the Laura Mercier powder. So that's both of them. That's the Kunafa and that is the Coffee. I'm gonna set my face with the Coffee powder. Now this has a smell. It feels smooth on the face though. I'm gonna dump some powder out in this top because they have like a sifter. I'm gonna tell you what this powder retails for and what the claims of the powder are. Please excuse my voice. When I tell you I'm having a real bad allergy situation, it's bad. Okay, this powder retails for $34. It comes in 8 shades. Oh, the Gucci foundation comes in 40 shades, if I'm not mistaken. An easy to use loose powder, perfectly curated for all skin tones to create airbrushed, long-lasting complexion. Blur the appearance of pores and fine lines and holds makeup into place all day. It's supposed to be long-lasting and fade-proof for up to 10 hours with excellent coverage and no flashback in photos. So we're gonna see. It definitely has like a light scent. Now, I don't know if that's supposed to be like a coffee cake scent, but it definitely has a light fragrance. Come on, eyes. Please don't start. Like, you can see the bruising on my eyes, how dark they are, how I've been rubbing my eyes, and it feels like there's like a little slit in the side that's irritated, I guess from it being so wet. That looks pretty. I like that. I have this foundation in 2 colors. This one is super dark. I reordered it because this one I couldn't wear. That's the color. I don't know why all of this makeup looks orangey to me. This one is called 440 medium deep. It's 440 olive. I'm gonna use the foundation brush to put this on. Did I say whether this was a full coverage foundation? I can't remember. It's a natural foundation with medium coverage. Now, I have several other foundations. I don't know if you can see them back here. I'm gonna pick a different one every day. I'm gonna list, oh, this has a smell. It's like a light kind of lotiony smell, if it makes sense. But like I was saying, I'm gonna list these foundations in the description box, and I'll choose them randomly unless you guys leave me a comment in the comment section and say, hey, can you try this foundation next? And then what I'll do is, however many people make a comment, then that will be the next foundation that I choose. From the time that I'll put the video out, I guess I'll calculate it like the next morning before I start filming, and then we'll go from there. So hopefully you guys will leave a comment in the comment section, put a thumbs up, subscribe. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I put a subscribe button on the screen and in the description box. So all you have to do is click on it, and then you will be subscribed to the channel. I think this foundation looks nice so far. It's definitely a natural finish. It looks like my skin. Now, I did not buy the Gucci concealer, so I'll be using something else. Which one? I'm gonna just dig it out the drawer and see. I don't know which one it's gonna be. Maybe the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk, because I had that sitting right here. I like that. The color looks pretty. It covered up my hyperpigmentation under my chin. You know, that's my problem area. I have this Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk concealer in the colors 8.75 and 11.75. Okay, this Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk concealer. It retails for $38. It comes in 23 shades. It says it's an award-winning, multi-purpose 24-hour wear of hydration to conceal, correct, and highlight with a buildable medium coverage and flawless radiant finish. It says it's non-drying and it's made with the same technology as the Luminous Silk foundation. High coverage, lightweight, 24-hour wear, oil-free, and multi-purpose application. So we're gonna try the darker color first and probably put the lighter one on to give us a little bit of highlight, because this color is pretty close to my face already. I don't want to get too close to these eyes because then they start acting up. It has a very faint smell. I think I'm gonna blend it out first and then put the lighter color on. Yeah, I don't see where it highlighted. I don't even see the difference, really, so it blended right in. I'm gonna go in a little bit with this color. Do any of you guys wear like a full face of makeup during the summer? I mean, I know like if you're going to a party, but on your regular day-to-day, like is it a BB cream that you're wearing? Put that in the comment section and let me know. Because my days vary, it depends on where I'm going. But I will put a full beat on in 90-degree weather if I'm going somewhere. I know it sounds crazy, but I do. Especially the eyes. I feel like every night I'm gonna have to do a mask because I see these little fine bumps on my face from different products being on it. Maybe I didn't notice it that I had these bumps on my cheeks. They could have been there and maybe I just didn't realize it. I feel like I need a little bit more of this concealer to highlight. Maybe I'll let it sit for a minute. I hope you guys can't hear that because my stomach is saying some things. I'm gonna try to contour with the Shape Tape Mahogany Concealer. Let's see if this is dark enough. I'm gonna use this. This is the Born This Way concealer. Yeah. This is the Born This Way concealer in the color Ganashe. Okay. Let's go back into this powder. Now, I think it's wonderful that they have this sifter, but it's taking too much to get the powder out for me. Come on. This is the only problem that I'm gonna have. And I'm gonna take this sifter off because I can't work like this. Now this has a very pleasant smell. Well, it has a smell. I can't get this powder out. This is the only thing that I cannot stand about this powder. Okay, I finally got some. Very nice. Now this powder is very dark. I'm gonna use this Dior powder to dust everything off. I'm gonna use this Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. Party all day, party all night. This has a smell too. I don't know what it smells like, but it has a smell. I probably shouldn't have touched my eyes with this, but we are going to see. Okay guys, I'm gonna go off camera and finish my makeup, and I will be back to show you the finished look, go over the products, and then give you some pictures. Okay, I'm back. I would have been back sooner, but I was on the phone. So it's actually 3:28 and I'm finished. So I'm gonna see. The foundation's been on about an hour. I'm just gonna show you what I finished my face with. I used this Melt Cosmetics Queen Bee blush. They're supposed to be blushes, but they're really highlighters. I use that on my cheeks. And I used this Devil blush. I did my brows. I used the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. And I used the gel from Kosas, the brow gel. These are the House of Lashes Noir Fairy lashes. That's what these are. And I put like a little bit of bronzer at the top of my eye. I used this setting spray, which was the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. And then I sprayed a little bit of this Hangover 3-in-1 Replenishing and Primer spray. And what I noticed is once I sprayed this on, I started getting lifting. So I probably should not have sprayed that, but I started getting lifting. I got little speckle spots in certain spots, but other than that, the foundation looks very good. My pores look really good considering they could look a lot worse with the highlighter on. I mean, I still see them, but I've seen them worse. So far so good. So like I said, I'm gonna wear this foundation to probably about 9:30, which would give me 7-8 hours, and we're gonna see how this foundation holds up. I don't know what my plans are for today, but that is what we are going to do. So I will see you guys when I come back for the first check-in. It's not too late to subscribe. You can do it right now because I have that little red square on the screen, so you definitely can subscribe now. You do not have to wait until the video is over. So I'll see you on the first check-in. Okay, it is now 5:19 p.m. and I'm sitting here editing this video so I can get it up for you guys tomorrow. So far, it looks good. The highlighter looks wonderful. My skin is still intact and I just got finished eating finally. I see like a little bit of maybe something rubbed off on the chin. It could have been the bacon grease because I had some bacon. But so far so good. So I will check back in with you guys in another 2 hours to see what's going on with this face, but so far so good. I don't see any breaking up. It's not oily, just like a nice glow. Okay, see you in 2 more hours. Okay, so like I said, it's like 7:42 now. This is what my face is looking like. This is like 6 hours later. Let me get closer so you can see. It's not breaking up or anything. I mean, I'm not doing a lot of movement because I'm in there trying to edit this video so I can get it up for you guys by tomorrow. But so far, it's holding up pretty well. So we'll see what we look like at the 8 o'clock hour. Okay. Hi guys, I'm back. It's 9:57 p.m., 9:58 p.m. and I just want to go over what my face is looking like. First of all, it looks like my skin has oxidized. It's gotten a few shades darker than what it appeared to be earlier. I see a lot of glow on my face. I haven't blotted since I got off camera. Like, this is what my face has been looking like since the makeup was finished. I mean, it still looks really good. Everything looks intact. It hasn't broken up around my nose. My highlighter is still on. Everything is still glowy. It looks like it's oily, but I don't think it's oil, because when I touch my face, nothing comes off on my hand. I'm gonna use one of these oil blotting sheets to see what comes off. I mean, for all of these hours, that's not a lot. I mean, my face looks just as beautiful as it did when I finished this makeup. Like, it's still flawless. Like, it can go another 3 or 4 hours, honestly. Now, like I said, today wasn't super hot outside, but I mean, this makeup held up well. It's been times that I've put foundation on and I've been in the house all day and my face is a complete and utter greasy mess. So I would really have to say that so far this makeup combination is really, really good. Let me go over again what I put on my face. I started with the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. I use this Gucci primer and I use this Gucci foundation. They both stated that they give a natural finish, that they control oil, and they minimize the look of pores. I mean, to me, I would say everything that they said. This foundation is beautiful. It really is. I hope that it looks this good on a day when it's 90 degrees, but today it was only like 73. I tried a new powder today, the Huda Beauty Baking Powder. I set my face with it and I also set the primer with it, and it worked really, really good. My face feels good. It feels light. I don't have anything bad to say about the product. And then the other stuff that I used on it, I think I told you guys earlier, this highlighter, and I used a bronzer. I think it was the Juvia's Place. Yeah, it was the Juvia's Place bronzer. So all in all, for this being day 1 of our summer foundation hunt, so far this one looks like it may pass the test. If you guys haven't subscribed by now, please do so. I have a subscribe button on the screen, the little red square. Also, hit the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a video. Click on one of these other videos that's going to be up here. I will see you guys in the next video. I think this did very well. Stay tuned for day 2. If you have a particular foundation that you want me to review, I know you probably can't see the ones that I have up there on the side over here. I'm going to list them in the description box, and I'm going to give you the option. The day I put it out, the next morning when I start to film the video, then I will be making a selection from one of the foundations, and if I have enough people that vote for it, then I'll use that foundation next. If not, we're going to get at least 7 out of the 12 that's up there in this foundation find, and hopefully they work. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. See you in the next video.